Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Metabase Business Analytics on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So tutorial link is this. So I'm open the tutorial link. All that content, whatever in my notepad, that is in my link only. So you can able to access the link. So now the install and Metabase Business Analytics on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Here is the step-by-step guide to installing Metabase on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let me access one server. So I'm running the server in VMware Workstation. So I'm running the Ubuntu server. So let me access that server. dpt my user 192.168.224.129. So this is my server. So there is a step-by-step guide to installing Metabase. So first update and upgrade the system. So running this one. So there is a sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade minus y means yes, we are giving the permission to install. So done. Now I'm going to install the JDK 11 Open JDK 11. So Open JDK installation is in progress. Okay, done. Let me check the Java version. So run Java minus version. So we are running with the OpenJDK 11.0.24. Now I create the Metabase directory. So I'm creating the Metabase directory in the inside the OPT folder. Go inside the folder. Now download the Metabase. So this is the command with the wget. I'm going to download the latest Metabase. So download is completed. Now I'm going to move the configuration Metabase as a system D service. So let me open this. Here I'll add this one. So where is description, we are adding the Metabase server and syslog target, and our database jar directory will be this. So copy this. So we have created the systemd system metabase.service, and now I'm going to enable the Metabase. Now start the Metabase. You can verify if the service is running or not. So go to the state, just check with the status. Your service is running. Configure firewall if needed. If you have a firewall enabled, then allow to the firewall Metabase. So access the 3000 port. So I'm just going to allow. My firewall is off. UFW uncomplicated firewall is off, but I'm just allowing the 3000 for the testing purpose. Now access the Metabase. In my case, this is the IP address 129 and 3000. So just copy this. So Metabase is connected now. Next, give your name. So click on next. If you are adding any database, then you can add these other databases are available there. Other databases also available there. You can add one of the database. So in my next video, I'll show you how to add with the database. So I'll do it later. Now I'm going to finish this. So here you can able to see this is the Metabase, and there's a default in database. If you click, then there is a simple database is there that is connected with the Metabase. So if you click on any of the event, so you can able to see you are getting the data. So go to the home. I'm just checking with a look glance of a people. So see, it will look like this. So here you can create the graph and analytics of the any of the database, or if you go through the another one, just like a order summary and other things. So total transaction is this much in last 30 days, this much, and with the time frame we can able to see, and with the Facebook, Twitter sales per sources, from the which source we got the more sales, so you can able to see like this. So you can create the view of that. Yeah. So in this video I have learned how to install Metabase Business Analytics on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we have done the step by step and we got the page. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Not follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.